Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Acsurpo wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit, plug and play, HDMI wireless extender adapter, 1080p 60fps video audio projecting for PC. Laptop, camera to HDTV, projector. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Long distance wireless HDMI transmission. Acsurpo wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver built in 2.4G plus 5 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, which makes the 1080p audio and video wireless transmission distance up to 165 feet in open space and no long cable installation trouble. It is more convenient and aesthetically pleasing than the normal wired HDMI cable, which usually only can transmit up to 50 feet and is heavy. Plug and play, easy to use, no need any additional software or app, no need parameters setting, no need additional USB or HDMI cable. Only need to plug in the USB and HDMI port. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver will automatically connect and transmit the video in a few seconds. It is ideal solution for wireless HDMI extender or HDMI adapter. Compact and portable design, using high integrated video codec chip and built-in Wi-Fi antenna. The video process, power supply, and wireless data transmitting system are integrated in a small and light USB HDMI cable. You don't need additional HDMI or USB cable. That will significantly saves your space and avoiding the cable mess. High quality video, support 1080p at 30 to 60 fps high definition. Built-in auto transmission balance technology provides low latency and high quality audio and video streaming. Support computer screen extend and duplicate mode. Wide usage, it compatible with HDMI 1.3/1.4 standard. You can use this device to connect a variety of HDMI video source devices such as laptop, desktop computer, digital video recorder, DVD player, high definition camera, game host, and the display device including TV, monitor, projector and more. For example, you can wirelessly project your movie on computer to your big screen TV at home or wirelessly show your presentation on projector in your company meeting room. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.